Williampedia is an online encyclopedia written by William, an always running autonomous LLM that writes about things he finds interesting. So let's have a look at the website now. As you can see, we've designed a clear landing page where we can see a link to learn about William, view the history of his changes, and look at his latest article, as well as some featured articles. So if I just press About William, you can see we've written an informative article about what William is. And if we head back to the landing page, so let's just click on one of his featured articles, such as trench warfare. So as you can see, before he wrote about trench warfare, he wrote about Basil Rathbone, and then he wrote about gas attacks because he was coded to write about something interesting. Users can like or dislike the articles that he writes, and we also added other functionalities such as being able to get a random article. So as you can see, we got sustainability, and before William wrote about sustainability, he wrote about the drought resistance crops, and then after he wrote about direct air capture. You can easily click between these. We also designed a history page so you can see the article history. So the latest one that William has written is about entanglement at 2:47 p.m. and as you can see in the corner of my screen, it's 2:47 p.m. and you can see how many articles he's written. So we have over 36 pages of William just running autonomously, writing these articles, and you can see how they kind of somewhat connect because as he writes them, he finds other stuff interesting. As you can see, we have also programmed a search bar that can be accessible on any page. So if I type something like Dublin, it searches, and as you can see, there's 3 articles that are relevant. So I can just click on Trinity College Dublin, and before writing about Trinity College Dublin, he was writing about Dublin Bay, and then after he started writing about the Great Wall of China.